You're about to watch the Paulie Detmer's channel. Enjoy.
That's right. You're looking at it. It's a pizza. Got this in the deli section at the local Meijer store. It's one of those take and bake pizzas. I've had them before. I don't know if I've ever done any reviews on a take and bake pizza. I think I may have, but in general, they're usually, in my opinion, terrible. I think pizza in a vending machine is better than these things. But we're going to give it a try. And the thing that made me actually buy it with a little optimism is it says take and bake flatbread pizza. Now, being a flatbread pizza might change a game. But then again, is it really pizza if it's on flatbread? We're just going to find out if I like it or not. Yeah, this thing bakes in 10 to 12 minutes at 400 degrees. And I'm here in the back. Yeah, 400 degrees, 10 to 12 minutes. It says to place directly on middle oven rack. Well, the Will Prep doesn't have a middle oven rack. I could accommodate that and put something in there, but I'm not going to stress that much about it. I'm not splitting hairs here. There's one thing I really don't like about this already. It has the bioengineered food ingredient in it. I am going to do a video about how I am cutting out the bioengineered food ingredients in my life, but I'm doing this one for you all, the greatest subscribers on YouTube, Odysee, and Rumble. Let's open this up. Okay, wrapped up nicely. Wrapped up so nicely that cheese and pepperoni isn't all over the place. It's not on the bottom because it was standing up somewhere or whatever. See, doesn't fall down. On the back side, it is that the flatbread or is that cardboard? No, that's cardboard. I'm gonna get this open and we'll put it in the Will Prep. Will Prep is poised and ready at 400 degrees. Getting there. All right. Yeah, it's pepperoni with mozzarella. It's got both shredded and some mozzarella pearls.
You're watching the Paulie Detmer's channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Here we go. On the peel. We'll put her in. Let's take a gander. We'll get this thing out of the oven in 11 minutes. All right, I'm going to take this thing out. It's been in here about 11 minutes. I think it's about time. Open it up. Ooh. I wonder if the bottom's blackened. We will find out here shortly. Yeah, it looks pretty good on top, huh? Hey, this is my big 15-inch pizza peel. Fits in there perfectly. Yeah. Anyhow, back to the pizza. I am almost afraid to look at the bottom. Is it burnt? No, looks pretty good. Yeah, overall, it all looks pretty good. Maybe could have got a little bit more melting right there on that mozzarella pearl. Other than that, looks great. And we'll go take a seat. It does not smell real good, in my opinion. It doesn't smell like pizza. It's got a distinct odor about it. I don't know why. But the taste will be the deciding factor. Let's take a look at the bottom again. Was it this color before I put it in the oven? I don't recall. Looks doable. Flatbread pizza from Meijer. The deli, take and bake. Here we go. Get that pepperoni, relocate that one. It's very bland, and the taste that it does have is the same as that smell I get from it, but not as bad as the smell, I guess. It is just bland, kind of creamy, not in a good way. I think if you're a 5th grader, you will probably like it. So if it washed up on the shore in a bottle and you're stranded on an island, you would probably appreciate it. But the fact that I paid for it is another thing. The beauty of it is it's not real big, so it's not going to be a big waste when I throw it in the trash. I'm not even going to give it a pepperoni scale rating. Actually, I won't throw it in the trash. What I may do is season it up a little bit. Maybe put some ranch dressing on it. Thank you for watching. Till next time.